Hi! In front of me is Google Pixel 7i, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. First of all, you need to install your new defaults. I already did that, so I can go into settings right away. In settings, click on apps, then default apps, and finally select one of those sections, in my case, browser app. Lastly, just click on your new one that you wish to apply, like Opera Mini, and tap on the back button. So when I do that, as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!